As far as how passionate I am about coffee, I would say very passionate. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's like an 11.
I love coffee. I've grown to love it more as I've gotten even more involved in the business. We just did a coffee tasting of it, and you develop a passion for it like you would, kind of anything else that you're around for a lot of time. Walking, seeing it grow on the farms. I'm country boy by heart, so being outside in nature, seeing that process come together, watching it go from farm to cup is a special experience, especially knowing all the work, technology, team effort that's involved in making that process happen.
Coffee in Colombia, I mean, it's the national product of Colombia, right? So within coffee, you'll never have a problem finding a buyer. It's one of the most liquid assets on earth, right behind petroleum. I mean, you can trade, if I have coffee in a bag today, I can liquidate it for cash in 13 seconds, basically. There's no trade risk whatsoever with coffee. It's not going to go bad tomorrow.
To date, since 2017, we've brought about $25 million of investment into the business. Primarily, our investors are US-based folks, but we have investors here in Colombia, investors out of Europe, Australia. It's really open to anybody who says, you know what, I want access to the coffee industry and I want to do it at scale.
In coffee, you can touch it, you can taste it. It's something that affects so many people's lives, and you can be a part of it.
So the company started back in 2017, really built around the idea of creating an alternative to real estate investment for people who are looking for foreign real estate opportunities.
They really wanted to invest in real estate, and they really wanted agriculture. So myself had a background in trading coffee, trading flowers, and we created basically a company to meet the needs of investors.
Since then, we've seen the opportunity and what the green coffee company could become. We saw an opportunity really to disrupt the Colombian coffee industry.
What we saw in Colombian coffee is a decentralized, fragmented market that could really, really benefit from foreign capital and innovation, basically. Investment in human capital, investment of physical capital.
We had an opportunity to change an industry inside Colombia, give our investors a great opportunity for returns, access to US markets, everything that they would normally expect, but being able to touch some foreign territory in connection with their investment.
Really, the focus around the initial company was to create something unique for foreign investors who were really interested to be a part of what we see as Colombia's future, which is we think is the top market in Latin America.
Our strategy has always been to bring a new sense of technology, a new sense of doing business that really brings prosperity for everybody involved in the coffee chain, from the people who work on our farms to our investors, really to Colombia as a whole. Coffee being its national product, the chance to be disruptive and change the way business is done is exciting for everybody involved.
So we were specifically interested in investing in a township that has one, really high quality coffee and access to the best human capital in Colombia. So here in Salgar, for instance, we don't have to open a school to teach people how to work in coffee. They've been doing it their whole lives. They're experts, and a lot of times they can teach us.
One of our fundamental values as a company is to grow our coffee and run our operations in a sustainable manner. It's important for a lot of reasons. There's the environmental reasons, of course. There's the way in which we treat our employees, how we manage the operations. Also, if you're looking at it from an investment perspective, we can create a lot of value by maintaining our standards to the standards that markets expect, clients expect, that our clients would be proud to be affiliated with, that our investors would be proud to affiliated with. So every day the business is always looking to add more value, and a lot of that is done by doing things in a sustainable manner, in a manner that we're proud of. We want to have employees who come here and are proud of what's going on at the farms and what they're behind. We want to take videos and share them with our investors. We want to see people smiling and excited for what we're doing. And we know that doing things like Rainforest Alliance, cafe practices are essential to having that kind of attitude and optimism around the business.
What we see in Salgar is basically a sophistication of the market, and we're proud to be a part of that sophistication. What we've really done here in Salgar is take Salgar from what it was, which is a monocrop town that is experts in kind of the old school way of running coffee businesses, and bringing it to the next level. Right, we're trying to bring in international capital, international talent, and international innovation via infrastructure investment and take it to the global next stage. What we're trying to do is make Salgar the epicenter of global coffee.
I think what we're doing, and people will say, why are these guys in Colombia? What's the reason for this? I came here 4 years ago, built a life here, really looking for new opportunities.
Really what I looked at when I came to Colombia was a market that was growing very fast, and what you'd say is like a arbitrage, both from a capital perspective and from a life perspective.
I think we have a chance to do something here that nobody else has ever done, and maybe never even had the guts and initiative to even try. And the team I see, the way the business is set up, I think we can really get there. And most people in their lives don't have a chance to fundamentally transform an industry and the way that business is done in an important industry in an entire country. So I'm excited about what we're doing. I'm excited that we can open Colombia to more people in the world, and they see the good things that are going on here, continue to bring more investment dollars into the country and give people a better life and us a more exciting and eventful life as well.
I think what you're going to see within the next year will be the largest player in Colombia, the largest consolidated player. But I think our duty is to do more than that. I think we need to innovate more than anybody else, and we need to make lives of coffee growers generally better in Colombia. A lot of times Colombian coffee farmers don't get a fair deal. They need to. And so as we grow, we want to benefit society around us. And I think we're in a unique place to do that.
I think we have more than a strong likelihood to fundamentally change the industry here in Colombia. I know we will become the largest producer of coffee this year, and we'll continue to grow from there to the point that we are truly macroeconomically significant within the industry on a global basis.
Coffee is one of the most interesting businesses I've ever personally been a part of. The future of it is massively bright. You see innovation in it, specifically what we're doing here in Colombia every day. And it's an exciting market. It spans so many industries, whether it's hospitality, whether it's B2C product creation, or obviously at the farm origin is agriculture and growing. It affects millions and millions of people's lives, and worldwide it's strength, and it's enjoyed by everyone from the working class all the way to billionaires. So gone are my days of wearing a suit and tie to work every day, sitting in an office, crunching out Excel valuation models, and I can spend time with like you gentlemen today, and I can sit in the world around us and say, hey, we're coming back to humanity, right? We're coming back to be a human again and creating a product that's enjoyed by millions, and we're trying to make the industry better and for the better. You can be part of a positive change in the world, and it's not about how much money can I extract out of the situation. It's saying we can do the right thing and make money at the same time, and everyone can win.